Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn 40 common sports names in English. This is a fun and easy way to boost your vocabulary. So get ready to learn and have fun. Cricket. Cricket. Tennis. Tennis. Basketball. Basketball. Volleyball. Volleyball. Golf. Golf. Boxing. Boxing. Karate. Karate. Handball. Handball. Archery. Archery. Swimming. Swimming. Resting. Resting. Water polo. Water polo. Hockey. Hockey. Cycling. Cycling. Gymnastics. Gymnastics. Skiing. Skiing. Weightlifting. Weightlifting. Surfing. Surfing. Canoeing. Canoeing. Running. Running. Diving. Diving. Frisbee. Frisbee. Curling. Curling. Climbing. Climbing. Badminton. Badminton. Baseball. Baseball. Judo. Judo. Fencing. Fencing. Rugby. Rugby. chess, chess, billiards, billiards, football, football, carom, carom, darts, darts, table tennis, table tennis, bowling, bowling, car racing, car racing, horse race, horse race, lacrosse, lacrosse, high jump, high jump, great job! You've just learned 40 sports names in English with videos. Tell me in the comments which sport is your favorite, and the most mentioned one will get a special educational video where I'll explain everything about it in detail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning and keep winning.